I gave her the bread. She eats it. Where is she going? Don't get angry, I'm just following you. Just keep going, I'm not gonna hurt you. Great, under the tree. She trying to take her food? I knew it. She's taking again. Marb, that's my loaf of bread. I thought you're gonna eat it whole. You evil dog! I can still see it, Marbs. You think it's gonna be hidden by rocks? Can you please use your own face? There's the bread. It gets dirty and gets smashed by rocks. Unbelievable dog. Is she still gonna eat that with dirt? It's gonna be dirty. Yeah, it's gonna be dirty. I don't see the bread anymore. I know, Dodie. Just weird. Marbs, are you done digging? Well, at least we don't know where he digs from. It's a sheep. Marbs! Marbles! Marbles!